Hi there, and welcome to the Enlightened Super Trader Education Weekly Market Update. And today we're going to look at the market very quickly, the Dow Jones Industrial and the trade of the week. Now, looking at the weekly chart right here, despite last week created a higher high, higher low, and we have a dark cloud cover right there as a for all you pattern recognition traders out there. Sellers are currently in control from last week, breaking through halfway of the previous body of the candle right there. And however, through that, with the stabilization currency, we can see some form of retracement that is bound to happen. I believe on the daily chart, the retracement has happened to a very short term. But if we put through our Mr. Phipps right there, I believe this is some more room in order for this to retrace from the last swing low to the last swing high. Overall, we can't ignore in terms of an uptrend, but from an uptrend point of perspective, then higher high, a higher low will then soon follow. So around the 12,300 something, 12,400, even the 12,250. Okay, let's go through on the daily chart. Much clearer picture right here. We have this pretty much using this as a primary uptrend for now. We have a secondary uptrend and we have a primary downtrend that is pretty much our fib retracement from the last swing low to the last currently high. Technically speaking, this really should be the last swing low, but I'm taking this as in term of the overview trend of the Dow. Okay, so working from here, this is a very good strong demand level between 12,400, 12,380 around this point. So currently on the downtrend, very short term, lower lows, lower highs, the odds and probability for continuation to drop further as a form of retracement or correction is more than likely to happen. If this one gets broken, then somewhere, sometime in the future, we're going to see a clear, better picture, approximately by June, if it comes back down to the 12,100 mark, and before it can continue. But other than that, 12,300, 12,200, and just below the 12,100 area right there. And that is it pretty much for the Dow Jones. Okay, let's have a look at the trade of the week. What is the trade of the week at the moment? Well, there's a few that I can see. This was taken just previously about less than 15 minutes ago. Looking at the euro yen to go long based on ESTE's method number 1. So we have our stop, we have our entry, and our target point about 116.37 at the moment. Okay, for a short-term point of view perspective, our goal is just to make between 90 to 100 pips to the upside, and the risk is actually very minimal, about 50%, 50 pips, sorry, so it's a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio right there. Right, the other one that we did see was the Kiwi against the US dollar based on EST's method number 2 right there. So it gave us a pretty much signal to short based on the 4-hour chart, and entry point, stop loss point, major target point is about the 77 area. Longer term momentum, even though still an uptrend, spot of retracement, odds and probability for this to head back further south, but the 77, 50, 77 area is more than likely to happen. But if not, then if we'll choose to continue to rebound, then method number 2 based on a 4-hour chart is a failure. So far it is a downtrend, currently retracing itself, and we might see some continuation to the downside. Alright, this is it for me in terms of the weekly market update and the trade of the week. Other than that, good luck guys. Take care till next time. Happy trading.